Take out the suction cup from the toolbox and take out the robot flange from the MG400 packing box. Assemble the suction cup and robot flange and tighten all screws. Install the standard palletizing tool on the end of MG400 and tighten it. Install the air pipe. Place the detection board on the conveyor based on the locating pin. Take out blocks used for palletizing from the toolbox and place them on the detection board. Enter the script page on the Doorbell Studio Pro main page. Click File, Import Project. Select the script Co-axial palletizing file and open it. Set the point in the trajectory when MG400 is moving. Control the robot to move to the home point P1 and update the P1 point data. Control the robot to move to the picking point. Open the DO10 to suck the block. Control the robot to move to the transition point P2 and the placement point P3. Update the point data in 10. Control the robot to move back to the home point and close DO10. Open DO11 to put down the block. Click Process, Pallet, New. Set relevant parameters. Set X to 2, Y to 3, and Z to 1 in number if palletizing. Move MG400 to points P1 to P4 in 10 and click Get Point to acquire the point's coordinates. As there is only one layer in the example pallet, P4 is above P1. After saving all points, click Next Step. Move MG400 to point A and point B, and click Get Point to acquire the point's coordinates in 10. Modify the pallet index in the script. Save and execute the script for debugging. Take out the suction cup and eccentric flange from the toolbox and take out the robot flange from the MG400 packing box. Assemble the suction cup, eccentric flange, and robot flange and tighten all screws. Install the assembled eccentric tool on the end of MG400 and tighten it. Install the air pipe. Open Doorbell Studio Pro. Click Settings, Coordinate System, Tool Frame. Choose a tool coordinate system, then click Modify. Install the MG400 calibration needle. Choose 2-point setting. Drag MG400 to point P1 to let TCP align with the reference point, and click Obtain to acquire the coordinates of P1. Change the pose of the tool, then drag MG400 to point P2 to let TCP align with the same reference point, and click Obtain to acquire the coordinates of P2. Click OK. The tool coordinate system is then generated. Click Settings, Coordinate System, User Frame. Choose a user coordinate system, then click Modify. Select 2-point setting in the Modify User Frame Index 1 page. Drag MG400 to point P1 to let TCP align with the reference point, and click Obtain to acquire the coordinates of P1. Turn on the DO4 to let the calibration needle move forward with the conveyor, then turn it off. Drag MG400 to the point P2 to let TCP align with the reference point, and click Obtain to acquire the coordinates of P2. Click OK. User Coordinate System 1 is created successfully. Place the detection board on the conveyor based on the locating bin. Take out blocks used for palletizing from the toolbox and place them on the detection board. Enter the script page on the Double Studio Pro main page. Click File, Import, Project. Select the script Off-axial palletizing file and open it. Set the points in the trajectory when MG400 is moving. Open the control panel. Choose the user coordinate 1 and tool coordinate 1. Control the robot to move to the home point P1 and the picking point P2. Update the point data in 10. Open DO10 to suck the block. Control the robot to move to the transition point P3 and the placement point P4. Update the point data in 10. Control the robot to move back to the home point and close DO10. Open DO11 to put down the block. Save and run the script for debugging.